concept of the Ceramica Cielo stand is called Be Iconic. And it's not just a slogan, it's a stance where industrial craftsmanship meets an author's vision, transforming an everyday item into a sculptural object around which the space is formed. This season's Cielo presenting an expansion of its most iconic collection. This is Catino. In this case, we're looking at the Catino in the Rettangolare 80 version. That is, it's a rectangular basin with recognizable features, 80 centimeters wide. The bowl is slightly offset from the center, and thanks to this, a functional wing appears. Just like the already well-known oval wash basins, the rectangular version can be installed on a graphic console. To provide a storage surface, below we see a shelf made from natural marble. Essentially, Catino is a modular system that can be assembled according to the requirements of the project. And exactly the same logic is supported by the Philo mirrored cabinet system. Cielo continues its exploration of ceramic design and presents Teseo. This is a new wash basin with an enveloping bowl and rounded edges at the intersection of design and sculptural exploration. Powerful forms, thick rims. Ceramics finally look like ceramics. As for naming, Cielo stays true to itself and continues its linguistic explorations in the mythology of ancient worlds. Teseo basins can be fitted with towel holders painted to match the ceramic, as well as wall-mounted ceramic shelves. I really like the mirrored cabinets and mirrors, which are framed in ceramic in matching colors. Enea is a modular wash basin system. At its core is a geometric interplay between the purity of the round bowl and the linearity of the rectangular countertop. Both the bowl and the countertop are made from solid ceramic. A distinctive feature of the horizontal surface, both of the basin and the countertop, is the presence of a convenient rim. The furniture composition is ultra narrow, in this case finished in the same agave shade as the ceramic. The side panels of the mirrored cabinet are also finished in this color. An important aspect to the Cielo range concept is cross-collection compatibility, meaning all the pieces go well together. Their connection is achieved through color. But if you prefer contrasting solutions, there is also the option for various combinations here. Hermes is the god of trade, travelers, and eloquence, and is very persuasive in his speech. This is a generous furniture composition, in this case presented in a chocolate cloth. The ceramic countertop is also fitted with raised edges and the basin is integrated within. Caring for such an item will be easy and quick. The cabinet doors, finished in glossy lacquer, embrace the countertop, thus making the silhouette as seamless as possible. In this case, the furniture composition is accompanied by the Canto mirror introduced last year and a pair of toilet and bidet from the Ortis collection, also new additions from last year. Thanks to its distinctive shape and plan, this composition will easily fit into various stylistic solutions. Aris is all about geometry and balance. The new basin explores the aesthetics of the elliptical form, rooted in classical tradition. The wash basin appears as a single solid volume. Soft curves instead of sharp edges create a sense of visual fluidity. The cabinet precisely mirrors the profile of the upper part, with a single door featuring an elegant handle painted to match the fronts. The Canto collection, a novelty from last season, is presented this year in a new finish. The furniture module is made of oak veneer, stained to resemble walnut, and pairs beautifully with the ceramic countertop and wash basin in a lino color with a matte finish. The round wash basin on the cabinet in a glossy emerald shade looks particularly striking. I really like the graphic detail of the handle, which runs from top to bottom and is painted to match the furniture. The ultra-compact freestanding Daphne bath also deserves a special mention. It harmonizes perfectly in style with another Cielo icon, the showy comfort toilet and bidet. The main feature of Cielo is its color. For them, it is not just a catalog option, but a design tool. Their range includes 3 palettes: Le Terre di Cielo, earthy tones, Le Acque di Cielo, watery shades, and also essential colors, bossy accents. All items in the collection are available in all 3 palettes. With Cielo, material becomes color. And that is not a metaphor.